Na, 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 na. I still see your chair by the door, one cup cold on the table, your scarf on the back of the seat, like you just stepped out for a minute. Your laugh left a mark on this room, even the walls know your name. I talk to the rain on the roof, ask if it brought you back again. If I call, will you answer? If I fall, will you catch me? I know I was foolish, but I learned too late. Come back to me, come back to me. I need your heart beside my own. Oh, come back to me, come back to me. This house is loud with your ghost alone. Your comb still sits by the sink, your perfume hides in my shirt. I wear your old favorite chain like it can undo the hurt. I left words I can't take back, sharp ones fell like broken glass. Now I'm sweeping through my pride, praying you come back at last. If I call, will you answer? If I beg, would you listen? I know I was foolish, but I learned too late. Come back to me, come back to me. I need your heart beside my own. Oh, come back to me, come back to me, come back to me, come back to me. This house is loud with your ghost alone. Oh, I changed the sheets, I burned the list, I made room in the mornings. I keep your photo by the lamp as a promise, not a warning. Say you still remember me, say there's still a place for me. I'm not asking for perfect, just one more chance to breathe. Come back to me, come back to me. I need your heart beside my own.